Hello and welcome to our instructional video on solving inequalities. In this video, we will be solving the inequality 4j minus 3 is less than or equal to 9. We will go step by step through the process of solving this inequality and will provide both the inequality and interval notation forms of the solution. Let's get started. To begin solving the inequality 4j minus 3 is less than or equal to 9, we need to isolate the variable j. First, add 3 to both sides of the inequality to remove the minus 3 from the left-hand side. So the inequality becomes 4j minus 3 plus 3 is less than or equal to 9 plus 3. This simplifies to 4j is less than or equal to 12. The reason we add 3 to both sides is to keep the inequality balanced, similar to how you would keep both sides equal when solving an equation. Now, we are ready to move on to the next step. To solve the inequality from the previous step, we have 4j is less than or equal to 12. Next, we need to isolate j by dividing both sides of the inequality by 4, which is the coefficient of j. Dividing both sides by 4 keeps the inequality balanced. So 4j divided by 4 is less than or equal to 12 divided by 4. This simplifies to j is less than or equal to 3. Thus, the solution to the inequality is j is less than or equal to 3. In interval notation, we represent this solution as negative infinity to 3 inclusive. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.